epic plumbing fail, smiley face emoji, nervous sweat emoji. So last weekend, my family decided to tackle that leaky faucet in the kitchen that had been mocking us with its incessant drip 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 for weeks. My brother, who once assembled an entire IKEA bookshelf without any leftover screws, volunteered for the job. He confidently assured us that he had watched at least half of a YouTube tutorial on plumbing. Armed with this newfound expertise and a toolbox that had seen more action as a doorstop than an actual toolkit, he dove under the sink. The first sign of intrigue came when we heard him muttering something about reverse engineering the plumbing. Now, this phrase was concerning for two reasons: one, because it came from my brother, who once tried to reverse engineer a sandwich and ended up with a salad, and two, because we weren't entirely sure what he meant by it. Nevertheless, we let him continue, choosing to trust his process, or at least hoping for a minor miracle. Things seemed to be going well enough until we heard a loud clang followed by a triumphant cheer from beneath the counter. Moments later, our minor plumbing inconvenience turned into something resembling a scene from Waterworld. A geyser erupted from the sink, sending water arcing majestically across the kitchen. My brother emerged, drenched but grinning ear to ear, claiming he was merely testing the water pressure. The kitchen quickly transformed into an indoor water park, complete with a lazy river snaking its way around the breakfast table and a new slip and slide featured down the hallway. My dog, ever the optimist, was thrilled with the new splash zone and promptly began his own version of a backstroke in the ankle-deep water. As we scrambled to contain the chaos, my brother stood in the middle of it all, arms crossed and nodding approvingly at his handiwork. "I always thought I had a knack for this," he announced proudly. "I guess you could say I've found my true calling as an aquatic architect." At that moment, as we waded through the aftermath of his project, it dawned on me that maybe, just maybe, we should have called a professional. But then again, where else could we have found such an unexpected twist on the saying, "Go with the flow"?